What is it, Ambattha? Did the Sakyans commit an offense against you?
Master Gotama, once I went to the city of Kapilavatthu on some business for my teacher, the Brahmin Ambattha. I went to the hall where the Sakyans gather and rest. At that time, many Sakyans and Sakyan princes were in that assembly hall on grand seats, poking one another with their fingers and laughing loudly. They were certainly laughing aloud as if to disparage me, and no one even offered me a seat. Master Gotama, if these Sakyans, being menials, do not show hospitality to Brahmins, do not respect Brahmins, do not honor Brahmins, do not revere Brahmins, and do not pay homage to Brahmins, then this matter is not pleasing to me and is improper. In this way, the young Ambattha uttered this second insult regarding the menials against the Sakyans.